na-mention na rin yung mga partnership with other actresses, no? Pero kung ikaw, paano mo gustong makilala ka or how would you describe yourself as a leading man?
I guess, versatile, di ba? Ako naman gusto ko lang na mag-improve sa every project na I'm part of. So, if the people think na I did a good job in this show, then I'll be happy with that. Dahil yun lang.
Not sure kung pwede nang i-announce yung series na gagawin mo is Park Seo-joon's, ano ba? Fight for My Way, tama ba? Or meron na bang project na gagawin na
Hindi ko pa sure actually.
Pero since na-mention
Bawal mo i-announce.
since na-mention mo na gusto mong gawin, sana i-take mo, di ba?
Baka yun. Baka yun
pero
gagawin natin.
sobrang gusto mo ba yung tipo ng mga Park Seo-joon series, ganyan?
Yeah.
Or,
Yeah, oo. Ang lakas kasi ng dating ni Park Seo-joon eh, diba? Tsaka, ang galing yung actor, parang I feel like sa lahat ng mga series na ginagampanan niya, iba-iba talaga yung lumalabas. So, actually, idol ko ng Korean actor.
So
Yeah.
among his series, yun yung pinaka-paborito mo, Itaewon?
Itaewon Class talaga. Kasi, yun nga, parang, ano siya eh, yung kwento kasi nun, para siyang nagsimula from nothing to something, to decide, to everything, di ba? Through hard work, through persistence. And nasa restaurant business din siya. So I feel like medyo parehas kami ng life story in a sense. Kaya gusto ko yung teleserye na yun.
So, naibala ako kasi recently sobrang sinaselebrate ng mga tao yung ina-achieve mo sa Hyrox.
Yeah.
Top Filipino participant dun sa recent Hyrox, no? Gaano ba ka-serious dun sa sports na yun? And talaga bang every time na sumasali ka, gusto mo i-achieve yung ikaw yung mag-top?
Yeah, super serious actually. Like I work out twice a day. My nutrition is on point. Very scientific yung workouts ko. Thankful ako sa trainer ko si Miguel Aitona. So yeah, the goal is to qualify sa World Championship ng Hyrox. So ang dami kong gustong gawin actually. And hopefully maging part siya ng SEA Games and I get to represent the Philippines. So yun yung goal.
Ano nang next Hyrox? Ano?
Next week actually I'm flying to Thailand. So right now kasi I think number 2 ako sa Philippines. Na-beat yung record ko nung si Gab Rosario, yung coach. So yun yung goal ko this time is to beat his record. So maglalaban kami doon. Tingnan natin kung sino mas malakas.
Okay, thank you. Good luck.
Thank you so much.